Dalia is a new tutor. She's been working with us. She came through as a student and progressed rapidly. All students have complimented her, whether it's on the evaluation forms or they've actually phoned personally the office to say how fantastic she is and where's she going so they can follow for the next course.
I've been in Britain for 5 years. But I didn't want to teach here that my English is not good, so Dinah told me to apply for the IELTS courses. And also I grabbed the chance again. I think I did well, and they said I've passed. Don't know, but I think I did well.
Dalia definitely works from the bottom of her heart. She is very genuine in what she does, and she really tries to click and inspire the people.
Because they come from different cultures and disadvantaged backgrounds, they have fears. I can't say that I did motivate them, but if we work together, we overcome everything. Even I overcome many things, not even them, not only them, I overcome many things with them, actually.
She's like the teacher that I wish I had. Maybe I wouldn't be in a computer class if I had her, because she's so patient and she teaches you every detail.
She was amazing. I think it's very difficult to find teachers like her.
Very well done, Dalia. A very well-deserved award at Cardiff Metropolitan. We're all very proud of you and wish you every success for your future.
Felicitaciones, Dalia. Te amamos montones.
Congratulations so much, Dalia. You're so wonderful. I hope you go on to achieve more great things.
Поздравляю тебя, желаю тебе счастья, здоровья и удачи и успеха.
To be recognized by Dinah and the university, wow, I don't deserve it, I don't know, but thank you so much. Thank you.